Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can return a Chewy order through the Chewy app. So what we're going to do is launch Chewy. Now from the home page, what you're going to want to do is get your order number. So we can find this by going down here to the bottom right area and clicking on account. And then in your account menu under orders, we want to click on where it says order history. And in your order history, you'll be able to find the order number right above the order that you had made that you'd like to return. So copy down this order number. We're going to need this when requesting a return. So now we're going to go back to the previous page, and this time in our account menu, we're going to scroll down towards the bottom and click on where it says email us. And Chewy's return policy is if you're not unconditionally satisfied with any of your pet supplies, you can return them within 365 days of purchase. But it is also worth noting that Chewy does not accept returns or exchanges on prescription medication, unless you received the wrong medication or it was damaged in shipping. So at this point, enter in your Chewy account email and then select the topic. And then in the drop-down menu, I selected issue with an order or product, and then selecting a reasoning for this. For my example, it's the product was damaged, but the shipping box is okay, so I selected that. And then below this, you can enter in that order number that we had saved earlier, entering that in here, and then you can tell them more about the situation and whether you'd like to get a refund on this return or a replacement product. And once you've filled out all of this information, you can click submit at the bottom, and a Chewy representative should help you out with your return. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you return an item to Chewy, going through the Chewy mobile app. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.